I take the pot out from the cabinet. I fill the pot with enough water. I check if the food is cooked properly. I boil the milk on low flame. I stir the milk so it does not burn. I stir the milk so it does not burn. I add cardamom to the warm milk. I wash the frying pan with soap. I wash the frying pan. I add ginger to the boiling tea. I arrange the spice jars in the rack. I refill the salt jar from the packet. I hang the utensils on the hook. I hang the utensils on the hook. I check the expiry date on the packet. I check the expiry date on the packet. I open the tin with a can opener. I pour the oil from the big bottle. I soak the bread in the egg mixture. I soak the bread in the egg mixture. I fry the bread on both sides golden. I cover the pan and let it cook. I transfer the food to the serving bowl. I sprinkle fresh herbs on the soup. I add a squeeze of lemon on the salad. I refrigerate the leftover salad. I toss the salad with salad tongs. I crack the coconut open carefully. I crack the coconut open carefully. I grate the fresh coconut into a bowl. I squeeze the coconut milk from the pulp. I grind the chutney. I knead the chapati dough softly. Round balls from the dough. I press the chapati gently. With a cloth, I put the chapati on the open flame. I flip the chapati to the other side. I pickle the vegetables in vinegar. I store the pickle in a cool place. I clean the kitchen sink with a brush. I stack the chapatis in the container. 1, 2, 3, 4. I finish cooking and feel very happy.